NBC29 forecast.
And we will be looking at some of the hottest temperatures so far of the summer by the end of the week. More on that in a moment. There is the view as seen from Carter Mountain. Here is the view this morning of the summery sunrise that captured by Warren Fault. A little bit of haze there, but we had some cloudiness for some to start early this morning after some rain last night. Currently at the airport, we check in at 89, made it up to 92 for a high today. A dew point of 67. It feels like it's in the low 90s. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, 83, made it up to a high of 87 this afternoon. Dew point there in the mid 60s. 86 currently in Madison, 86 in Palmyra. We've got 85 in Livingston, 82 in Waynesboro, where you saw a storm earlier, 83 in Stanton, and 84 currently in Harrisonburg. There's just a little review over the last few hours. We had one severe storm earlier this afternoon during the 4 o'clock hour, and it did include the fairgrounds, the Augusta County Fair starting today, but again, that moved away, but it did produce some small hail. Now we've got some showers and a few storms out across portions of the Shenandoah Valley. We'll zoom in some activity basically from Weir's Cave and points west, this out toward Moscow, out along Route 42 in northern Augusta County. Then we'll go a little farther north into Rockingham, and you can see some of the showers here north of Harrisonburg, and then farther off to the north and east, working up into Page County. These will likely impact areas across portions of Madison and Culpeper and Greene as they slide off to the east and southeast. More organized severe weather has been off to our north and east. You can still see a severe thunderstorm watch box that includes portions of Maryland and Delaware up into New Jersey and New York. Now temperatures here tonight will slip back into the 60s after any storm fades away earlier tonight. Again, some areas of fog as well. Then tomorrow really begins the process of heating the temperatures up. Tomorrow, low 90s, more widespread, around 90 or so in the Shenandoah Valley. It'll feel like it's in the mid to some upper 90s. Should be a dry day here for Wednesday. We do have a storm chance on Thursday, but Thursday, Friday, and even Saturday, we're talking about big numbers in the mid to upper 90s. And so when you factor in the humidity, those heat indices will approach or exceed 100 degrees. We'll likely have some heat advisories, at least for portions or all of the area. So there's the more organized severe threat up into the northeast this afternoon and now evening. The big heat continues out west, but the pattern is basically going to allow, with the jet stream ridging off to the west, it's an extension of the Bermuda High. That'll keep those temperatures pretty toasty here for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday before the next cool front begins to make its approach this weekend. That'll set off some showers and storms. So at least through sunset and thereafter, there will be some showers and storms here tonight. Those will fade away. And then tomorrow we start in the 60s. We'll heat up. Most of us will top out in the low 90s. And then on Thursday morning, we'll start in the upper 60s, low 70s. You'll notice that spike in the humidity. And as we go into Thursday, most of us will top out on the mid to upper 90s. There is that stray storm chance. We'll follow that over the next several days, but get ready for the heat. Temperatures here tonight in the 60s. Again, that storm chance early tonight. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. And that heat wave is certainly in the making, but some big numbers here by the end of the week, our hottest so far of this summer, with storm chances increasing with that next front Saturday and Sunday. We'll watch the timing on that.
Eric, thank you. And as you well know, weather, especially in the summer, can be unpredictable. Stay one step ahead of any summer storms that pop up with the Storm Team 29 weather app. If you don't have it yet, downloading it is quick and easy. Just point your phone's camera at the QR code on your screen right now, or you can head over to NBC29.com and scan it there. The app lets you track radar and get hour-by-hour forecasts and important weather alerts.